Did you know that you can pay your kids up to $15,000 this year and write it off in your business as a business expense? Most parents have no idea that their kids can be part of their tax strategy. If you're a business owner, this might be the cleanest tax break that you are missing out on. Today, I want to show you how hiring your own children can reduce your taxable income, keep money in the family's pocket, and give your kids real skills. My family has been taking advantage of this for years, and I want to share it with you. Hello and welcome. I am Shanta Thomas, tax specialist by day and coach's wife by night. As a business owner, you are just working so hard to make things work for your family. But what if your business could legitimately redirect some of that income to your kids and reduce your tax burden all at the same time? That's what happens when you hire your children into your business. So how does this actually work? If you own a business, it's important that you own a business, or maybe you have a rental property. It would also work in that situation. You could, in real life, hire your kids. It has to be age appropriate work for that business, and you can pay them. And then you're going to deduct that wage as an actual business expense, like you would if you were hiring somebody else. So what are some of the age requirements? The IRS doesn't have an age requirement which says that they have to be a particular age in order to hire them. What the IRS does say is you have to ensure that what you're hiring them for is age appropriate. Think about some of the things like admin work, helping with shredding, social media support, modeling for marketing, materials, producing goods, organizing files, cleaning your office. If you have real estate, they can even help you with painting. They can help you with landscaping, all those things for your rental properties. It's really important to make sure that during this time you have proper documentation. So your kids will need a W-4, a job description, time logs, reasonable compensation, and you're going to pay them like you would any other employee. The reason why you're doing all of this is to show that you properly hired your children and you properly paid your children. Here's the best part. If your child is under 18, and if they earn under the max for the year, which for 2025 is $15,000, they pay zero federal income tax. There is one thing that you want to make sure that you consider in all of this. There are some state requirements that are different by state. So you have to make sure that you look into the state as well, so that you don't end up in a situation where what you've done will end up being disallowed later, which means you have to pay that money back. But let's take an example. Say you have a 12-year-old, you hire them, you pay them $10,000 through the year. That's $10,000 that you just moved from your taxable income, completely tax-free to them. You get the deduction, they get the money, and now they can use that money to do whatever they want for clothes, if they have school supplies they need to buy, activities. So these are things you can stop paying for. These are things you can start letting them pay for. That's the best part. So hire your kids isn't just about tax strategy. It's a smart family finance move. You're lowering your tax bill. You're teaching your kids about money, and you're keeping more money in the pocket of your family instead of giving it to the government or the state or somebody else. If you want more tax strategies for your families, I would love to be able to help you. So you can click the link and you can set up a call so that we can assist you with putting this in place for your family in your business. I want to thank you so much for watching this video today, and I'll see you in my next lesson.